What's up everyone? Welcome to our lesson, the opening and saving the document in Photoshop. So in this lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you every single thing that you wanted to know about Photoshop in opening and saving the document. So let's get started. So setting up the document. Setting up your document correctly from the start will make your job much easier as you work through your project. So this will require some advanced planning. For example, if your final output will be a brochure, you may need to set up your document to be horizontal and double-sided. So to create a new document, just click File, then New. This will open the document setup dialog box. So here, you will be able to name your file, set up the correct page size, and orientation for your document. This is the file name. I'm gonna change it to my name as my file name. And then, we have the page size and orientation. Change the page size by typing in new values for width and height. So this one, the width, and this one, the height. Page size represent the final size you want after bleeds or trimming other marks outside the page. So in the preset drop-down menu, you can find such common sizes as letter, legal, tabloid, etc. Typing in exact values for height and width gives you more control over the size and orientation of your page. So under that width and height, we have the resolution. Resolution is the number of pixels on a printed area of an image. The higher the resolution, the more pixels there are on the page, the better the quality of the image. However, high resolution increases the size of the file. This is the image size. If I change the resolution, it became smaller or bigger. Oh, so the standard recommended resolution for printed images is 150 or 300. For web images is 72 pixels. So we have the color mode. Choose a color mode that will best fit for your project. For example, when making a graphic for a website, choose RGB. When making an image for print, choose CMYK. And then, we have the background contents. Choose the background, white, or background color, or transparent. So, when you have entered all of your document settings, just click OK. And then, opening an image from a disk. If you already have done any stuff in Photoshop, so if the image you have is saved on a disk or to the computer, just select File, then Open. And then navigate to the disk drive or file where your image is saved. Choose the image file and click Open. At this point, you may want to save your image under a different name so that you can always have the original fallback on in case of a mistake. To save your file, just click File and then Save As. And then, type in the new name of the file in the dialog box. So, that's it. That's the opening and saving of the files in the Photoshop. Again, just follow the instructions I explain, and thank you.